leech bites. Where would I go where I might have a leech bite or leech bite me? Okay, yeah, that's not gonna happen. Eye infections, acne. See, Google told me, so it must be true. Hey, all my subbies, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in this turmeric mask, okay, let's get into the ingredients for this fabulous face mask on a budget. So a lot of these items you already have probably laying around your kitchen. I've already put in the turmeric there. You can see it on the spoon. 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of vitamin C powder. You can utilize 1 tablespoon of Amla powder. It is great vitamin C for your skin and also tightens your skin and your pores. I put all the dry ingredients in first, and then I'll follow it up with the wet ingredients. So you can utilize, I'm utilizing Noosa yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can utilize milk. To your liking, depends on how wet or thick you want your mask. And I'll also use 1 teaspoon of honey. You can use 2 teaspoons of honey. The real honey is preferable, but this is all I had. And then I used 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I do have an aloe vera plant. You can use the actual fresh aloe, which is preferable. But you mix all these ingredients up and then you commence to put it in on your face. I utilize a brush. If you're going to use your hands, make sure you use gloves because this stuff really stains. Okay, here you see me avoiding my hairline with this mask and my eyebrows because this mask, the ingredients, you can also utilize it as a hair removal. So I'm not trying to take any chances with the edges that I have been trying to grow back and these eyebrows. I use my DIY oil on my eyebrows as well as my hairline. And I use this mask, I apply it with a brush. So, what is turmeric? Turmeric is a spice that comes from the turmeric plant. No shit, Sherlock. But the root of the turmeric is also used widely to make medicine. Yes. Speaking of that, I used to make this turmeric tea or turmeric milk tea. Oh my God, I think it was called like golden tea. It is very good and very good for you. Just make sure you use enough milk and honey. And if you use artificial sweetener, that's fine too. Or even some agave nectar. Yes, you are winning with that golden milk tea. Trying to read on the internet about this mask to you guys with the ability to wear my glasses or not wear my glasses. I am not about to get this turmeric on my glasses. So anyway, let's make this happen. So, okay, turmeric. Lots of Indian women use it for their skincare regimen. I'm not Indian, I'm African American. But hey, if we can borrow some things from other cultures that will benefit us, then why not? Plus, this is part of my series on beauty on a budget. Because like I said before in my previous videos, check them out. I am trying to save my coins and I want you to save your coins too. I mean, why should we be using all our money to purchase things that may not even work for our skin? I have done it in the past. I have spent plenty of money on things that did not work for my skin and for my hair. Time out. So I want to talk about this hair. So you see all this hair here? Let's get close up here. All this right here is pretty much like new growth. And I will get up in here like these little hairs that I have growing here. You see the fuzz, all that. I have a new hairline growing in. Hallelujah. I told y'all that I was resurrecting this hair and resurrecting these edges in 2018. And it is working so far. I have my hair in a protective style. This is kind of how I wear my hair at night when I'm trying to put it up. Sometimes I'll tuck in my ends there. and then tie it up. I'll wear my hair like this throughout the day if I'm at home, but this is what I'm doing with this mini twist. I'll be keeping these bad boogers in for a while, retwisting and washing these twists, wash my hair with these twists in and everything this coming year, and retwisting as I go along, because in the summertime I plan on reaching my goal of mid back length. Yes, honey. So getting back to this turmeric aloe vera mask. So yeah, the Indian women use it. The turmeric powder may be used to brighten your skin tones, and this website says that's why African American women love it, because it slows down the production of melanin or overproduction of melanin. And I am hyperpigmented, which means if I get any marks like a zit or anything like that, I used to suffer from adult acne, and I would pick it, or these hairs that grow here, I would pluck them out with tweezers. I would sometimes get dark marks right around here or wherever because I was so hyperpigmented. And I did everything. I bought hydroquinone that with like 3%, that's like way too much. What is that stuff I just said? Hydroquinone. Yeah, hydroquinone. Man, that stuff can cause cancer. Lordy Jesus. The things that folks don't tell you, you got to go educate yourselves. I've said that before on previous videos. Go educate yourself. So when you know better, you can do better. So I don't use any hydroquinone anymore that I know of, because sometimes people hide stuff in their products and don't even tell you. So I don't use any of that anymore. I'm going, like I said, all natural in 2018 as much as I can. 90% of the products that I use on my hair, face, and body will be natural. So with that, the turmeric slows down the pigmentation in your skin. And also, I mean, it's a good exfoliant because it's like gritty. So when you put it on, if you rub it in, things like that's going to naturally exfoliate. Okay, so some people will utilize a turmeric mask alongside lemon juice to lighten their skin. And no, I'm not trying to turn Michael Jackson on anybody. No. I am just trying to maybe lighten the dark spots that's around here, or spot treatment. So when I want to do those things, I'll add lemon juice to this recipe, and there you go. That helps. That will lighten your skin. But that's a controversial topic altogether. Oh, you can also use it for headaches, bronchitis, and colds. Oh, yes, I just said that. About to make me some tea. And some other uses includes for depression and Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric might be beneficial for treating conditions that involve inflammation. So yeah, when your skin's all jacked up, pretty much, yeah, it's inflamed. So yeah, hopefully this video has helped you out. And make sure you stay tuned. I plan on putting up videos weekly. I mean, I've been on this like every other day kick, but I'm gonna tell you the truth, that is not sustainable in my life. It is not sustainable. But I will be putting up videos weekly, and then when the springtime hits, I will definitely be every other day, twice a week. We'll see what happens with that, God willing. I will be able to put up more videos that is helpful to other people, because I do like doing these videos. And if you like them too, make sure you hit that thumbs up and comment, subscribe, hit even the notification button, so when new videos come out, you will be in the notification squad. So I appreciate all of you, all my new subbies. Hey! Thank you for subbing and liking my videos. Please stay tuned. I love you all. Love, peace, patience, and prosperity.